Hey YouTube, haven't done any videos in a while, and for good reason. I've just been enjoying driving the car. I've got 350 miles now on it since the FP Red install, and it's running good. I'm still running on the factory, well, not the factory tune, but the aftermarket tune that was in it for the factory turbo. I haven't changed anything on that yet. I will get it tuned eventually, I just haven't done it yet. The previous owner said it was making about 350 to the tire on the factory 10.5 8.5 turbo. And with the red, I'm still running the FP Red factory wastegate from FP, which is an 18-pound wastegate. And on the 18-pound wastegate, with the way it was pretty much adjusted from the factory, and then I think I tightened it maybe another half to 1 turn. I'll have to go back and watch that old video of me doing that. But according to this boost gauge here, it's making 14 pounds on the 18-pound wastegate spring that came on the red from Force Performance. I figure that since it's only on 14 pounds, it can get by on the factory tune, the factory injectors, without having a problem. And it's actually running pretty good on it. I don't really beat on it too much. I just drive it to work and back. I think it's been a month or so, and I've only put 350 miles on it since the last video I uploaded, which I think was a shade over a month ago by now. But it runs good. I've hit wastegate, a couple of times in it, and it's only hitting about 14 pounds, like I said, according to that gauge. It could be a little bit more, it could be a little bit less, but I'm assuming it's, probably within a pound or two of what the gauge says there. The factory tune seems to be doing well, and maybe I'll take the boost controller and put the boost controller back on it since I took the boost controller off. Maybe I'll get it up to 17 or 18 pounds, and it's not that fast on 14 pounds, everyone. It's pretty slow. I can't really tell you how slow it is. I haven't raced anybody or tracked the car or anything like that, but it's pretty slow. If I had to guess, it's maybe making 260 to 280 to the tire on 14 pounds. It's really not a lot. But the plan is, of course, to get more boost and E85. I do have, of course, the fuel upgrades, which will be coming soon. I'll do a how-to on that, which is another reason why I haven't been making any videos. I haven't done anything to the car other than drive it, so there's no how-tos no how-to videos to make because of that. But I'll have a couple coming up. So when I swap the fuel system over, I'll make a video on the fuel pump for that. And I also got to do the injectors and the intake manifold, and of course I'll do a video on that. And then it's off to the dyno to lay down some numbers. And the goal is 450 to the tire. I think that'll be very easy to make on E85, probably somewhere between 23 and 25 pounds. I think I can make 450 to the tire on it. But just wanted to make a quick updated video for you guys. I know I haven't made anything, but like I said before, it's because I haven't done anything to the car other than just enjoy driving it, and I do enjoy driving it. So stay tuned, guys, for more videos. There will be some more. I don't know when the next one will be, maybe within the next month or so. I'm just enjoying driving this car so much. I don't want to have to take it down and take it off the road again for another month or two, but I'm just enjoying driving it. So alright guys, thank you so much. Stay tuned for more videos.